Hello, my dear students. This is L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School. Dear children, as you know that your SST paper will be held on 27th of this month. So, before you solve the question paper, I like to explain the question paper through this video so that you could feel better and easy to understand all the concept of the question paper. So let's get started. All the questions are compulsory. Solve each question carefully and correctly. First question is there from section A, that is history. True, false. 5 questions are there in true and false. You have to answer properly. As James Mill divided Indian history into 3 periods based on religion, that is true or false, you have to give the answer. In this way, all the questions of true, false, you have to solve appropriately and correctly. Second question is, that is match the following. Column A and column B is there. 5 questions are there which you have to solve from A, B, C, D and E. So, matching must be done face to face. Don't make any arrow, don't cross the line. Face to face, match should be better for the teacher as well as for you to understand and solve it easily. Number 3, answer in brief. In this question also, it contains 2 marks. Each question contains 2 marks. 5 questions are there, 10 marks it will deserve. So, 5 questions are there from history which you have to read carefully, then you answer accordingly. Need not to write the question, simply give the answer, put the answer number clearly and write down. Number 4, question number 4, fill in the blanks. 5 blanks are there in this question which you have to put correct answer in the gaps to get better marks in the examination. Question number 5, answer in detail. Detail answer is there. So, what led to the growth of radical wing in the Congress towards the beginning of the 20th century? Briefly describe the problems that lay before India after it becomes an independent nation in the year 1947. What is India's foreign policies and what is it based on? These questions are there, will be containing 15 marks. Means one question will contain 5 marks, 3 questions are there, 5 into 3. Section B, that is from geography, same thing is there also. True and false, 5 questions are there in this true false. Give correct answer in the copy and show your performance in excellent way. Question number 7, tick the correct option. You have to put the correct option there. 5 questions are there, that is just like multiple choice question. Options are given appropriately, enough options are there. Correct answer you have to put down. Number 8, question number 8, answer in brief. 5 questions are there in this question. Read carefully, answer it carefully. No correction, no mistake is looking there in the question. Question number 9, answer in detail. 3 questions are there. Yeah, you have to solve only 2 questions. Mind it, 10 marks there. Only 2 questions you have to solve. Next question, question number 10, map activity is there. In the map activity, some states are given. You have to put the state carefully in the map and show your brilliancy putting these states correctly. Now section C civics is there. Fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks there. Give the correct answer there. Question number 12, that is brief question. 5 questions are there in this question also. That is taken from civics. Solve it correctly. Give the answer properly. Need not to write the question. Only give the answer clearly. Question number 13, detailed answer is there. It will contain 10 marks. 2 questions are there. Highlight the areas where children below the age of 14 years cannot be employed. The areas where 14 years age children are not allowed to work in any way. So which areas are they? This is very simple question. You can write down them and you can get complete marks. Question number 2, what is budget? How does it help the government in financial planning and expenditure? Budget, about the budget you have to write down. Where does it pass? And how it plan the government financial planning and expenditures. These are the questions of this subject. Go accordingly and be serious and be careful, be responsible. Give the answer in the answer sheet and submit it at the proper date. Thank you. Have a good day and good luck.